In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Jockey. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your discount is actually applied before you pay. First, open the official Jockey website. You can type jockey.com into your browser, or if you're shopping from a specific country, head to your local Jockey site or the Jockey online store for your region, like the India site. Using the correct site helps ensure prices, availability, and promotions match your location. Next, sign in. Click the sign in or account icon and log in with your mobile number or your email, depending on what you use with Jockey. Being signed in ensures your cart, coupons, and any saved addresses are correctly linked to your account. If you're already logged in, you can continue without changing anything. Now, add the items you want to buy. Browse categories such as innerwear, t-shirts, loungewear, or socks, and choose the products you like. Select the size, color, and quantity that suit you, then click Add to Cart. Take a moment to review product details and sizing guides if available so you pick the right fit the first time. When you're ready, go to your cart. Look for the shopping bag or cart icon usually at the top of the page and open it to see everything you've selected. This page will show item prices, quantities, and a running total so you know your pre-discount amount. On the cart page, find the coupon box. It's typically labeled promo code or coupon code and is often placed just below your cart items or in the order summary area. Sometimes it appears as a small link that says something like, "Have a promo code?" Click that to reveal the entry field. Enter your code carefully. Type or paste it into the field exactly as provided. Watch out for extra spaces, dashes, or uppercase and lowercase letters, since those can affect whether the code is recognized. Click Apply or Update. Give the page a moment to process the code. You should see a confirmation message if it worked. Check the discount. The total should automatically update and reduce if the code is valid and applicable to your items. If you see an error, double-check the code and make sure your cart meets any conditions like minimum spend or eligible products. Finally, proceed to checkout. Continue to payment, confirm your shipping and billing details, and place your order. Before you pay, confirm the discounted total still shows in the order summary so you know the coupon is successfully applied.